Hi dear students, latest science and technology current affairs, let us discuss exam point of view for staff selection and other examinations. Especially in October month there is a staff selection, so science and technology latest this year, whatever the latest incidents were held, let us discuss those incidents, our exam point of view. The first of all, and let us discuss regarding Mars rover. So Perseverance on Mars rover. Perseverance is that vehicle name, this name. Mars, on Mars, past 30-40 years have been sending various space organizations to know what is exactly there, whether important minerals are there or life is there. So for many rovers we sent. As a part of that, we sent Mars rover, that is called Perseverance, the name given by 13 years Alex Virginia, a person, a student, 13 years Virginia student, Alex Mathur, simply we call Alex, given that name. And also here Perseverance, a rover which sent by NASA recently, July 30, 2020, from Florida, Cape Canaveral Space Organization, Cape Canaveral, Florida. And also this rover taken by Atlas 5 rocket. Atlas 5 rocket is the rocket which launched this rover. So Atlas 5 rocket, through Atlas 5 rocket, the Perseverance Mars rover it is going to land next year, maybe probably February 18, 2021, the NASA is going to guess. Okay. So and also total 687 days, this is the duration of this period. 687 means one Mars year. Here Earth 365 days, there Mars 687 days is the 1 year, 687 days. 687 days. Okay. So NASA America sent on July 30, 2020 this year. Okay. So here the specialty is, you see clearly there is a camera, spectrometer, drills, weapons, some drills, and also many instruments added. Drill means for digging, to know what is the exactly minerals are there. And here the one more thing is, the very important thing, ingenuity. What is there exactly we should know. Ingenuity, the first time a small helicopter attached to this rover, Ingenuity, that name given by Vanija Rupani, 17 years old, 17 years, that one Indian, Vanija Rupani girl, Vanija Rupani, you see it, that Ingenuity helicopter name given by Vanija Rupani, Perseverance, the name given by Alex Virginia. These two students' names in NASA competition, those names were selected. So the Mars, which we call red planet, after Earth, the possible to exist life next planet. So Mars, past 30-40 years, many countries they have been sending, including China, on the Mars, including India also. 2013 we sent Mangalyaan. 2012 again Curiosity, one satellite rover sent by NASA, many countries. Again Mars atmosphere evaluation sent by America, Curiosity, Mangalyaan, again Perseverance. Is it latest on Mars sent by NASA on July 30 from Florida, Cape Canaveral. What is that name? Perseverance rover. In that rover, Ingenuity, a small helicopter attached. There is a drills, spectrometer, powerful cameras, everything is there. So Spirit 687. Okay, next year, maybe February, so 2021, it may land on Mars. Okay, the names given by Vanija Rupani, Indian helicopter name Ingenuity, but whereas Perseverance name given by Alex Virginia. Okay, so these are the important. What is the advantage of this rover, Mars rover? We can get it whether there is a minerals costliest minerals, mineral wealth, and is the possibility to exist human life. We don't know so far. We got some information as we sent earlier many satellites rovers. So we got only small little bit information. Okay, so this is the important regarding this Perseverance rover, Mars rover. Okay, China recently sent Tianhe-1, a Tianhe-1 satellite sent on Mars. So here it was sent by Long March 5 rocket, most powerful rocket of China. So China also recently sent Tianhe-1. You know, China space station, they put one name, International Space Station name Tianhe. So here Tianhe-1 also sent on Mars, China recently, Long March 5 rocket through. So this is the Long March 5 rocket. So through Long March 5 rocket, China sent Tianhe-1 on Mars. And also China sent India Mars orbiter mission 2013. MAM means Mangalyaan 2013. So recently this year 2013 Mars orbiter mission or Mangalyaan, it pictured one satellite, Mars planet, Mars, around the Mars there is a satellite, one of the satellite Phobos. This Phobos picture captured by MAM. This is very important. India sent MAM in 2013 Mars orbiter mission which is called Mangalyaan. In this year, July 2nd this year, it captured one of the satellite of Mars, Phobos. You see, still it is working. Mangalyaan, MAM. That's why they printed on 2000 rupees note. And whereas recently, Tianhe-1 China sent on Mars through Long March 5 rocket. This is the Long March 5 rocket. Okay. China recently started working BIDO. BIDO is the Chinese navigation satellite system. China navigation satellite system. The most powerful, which consists of 35 satellites that revolve around the earth, BIDO. So that China also declared till 2035, this system will become most powerful in the world. And also here that this is the against GPS. America, USA, it is a satellite system of America. And also Galileo, it is a Europe satellite system. And GLONASS, Russia satellite system, Russia satellite system. So India, Navik, India means Navik India. If you see, compared to all, this is the most powerful satellite system which consists of as and 35. It may increase future, we don't know. Till 2035, that Jinping, president of China, he declared it becomes number one in the world, most powerful. Okay, so BIDO, it started working in China recently this year, the BIDO navigation satellite system of China. Okay, students, Chandrayaan-2 failed, you know very well. Where it was landed, we don't know exactly, but failed before landing. And this rover, Vikram lander and Prajnan rover, Vikram lander. These two discovered by one student, the great Subramanian, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. The Chennai-based student Subramanian, he discovered Chandrayaan-2 rover Prajnan earlier. Vikram lander also. He informed through mail to ISRO. You see, the ISRO chairman reacted and started and research. So one student he discovered, you imagine, this is the technology. So his name Subramanian. This is the very important. Okay. See, China recently declared anti-laser weapon system. It was developed. That means it destroys the satellite, anti-satellite destroyer. So you imagine this type of technology is having America first, second Russia, third China now. Third country, China. This is the system like AK-47 gun laser system. It destroys the satellites. So this is the system developed by recently China and declared itself. Okay. First Arab Mars mission, then Al-Amal ALL, AMAL, AMAL, or HOPE probe. The first Arab space mission to Mars led by the United Arab Emirates, UAE, United Arab Emirates. So July 20, 2020, it was launched from Tanegashima Space Center, Japan. Launched from Tanegashima, TANEGASHSAMA, Tanegashima Space Center, Japan. Tanegashima Space Center, Japan. In this one, developed solar panels they used. Developed solar panels. The wonder they used developed solar panels, and also it will arrive till 2021 Feb. And also the main mission aim to study the Martian atmosphere, climate and weather on the red planet. So Martian means Mars. So the period also 687 Mars days, 687 Martian days or Mars days. Okay, so this is the one more country sent a probe on Mars. You see it, Tianhe-1, China, Ma, India. Curiosity, Marvin, America, NASA. Recently, Perseverance. You see it, how many satellites? And also recently, Al-Amal or HOPE by UAE, the first UAE Mars mission. Okay, but it was sent by H.NO rocket, Japan, and Tanegashima Space Center. Okay, so this is the solar panels. First time they used development of solar panels. 680 days, same like that, 687 days. Martian year. Martian year means Mars year. On the Mars year means how many days? 687 days. Okay, so this is the very important, July 20 this year also. Okay. Recently, fifth state of matter observed by scientists. Very, very important. Fifth state of matter, that is called NASA scientists observed Bose-Einstein quantum, BEQ. Bose-Einstein quantum, fifth state of matter in space for the first time. In space they discovered. It would be like this. So, solid, liquid, gases, plasma, 4 stages. And fifth state is Bose-Einstein quantum, fifth state. First solid, liquid, gases, plasma, fourth state. Okay, let us discuss some points regarding this one. June 11, 2020, a team of scientists, US-based space agency, NASA, National Aeronautical Space Administration, Cold Atom Lab have founded for the first time space evidence of fifth state of matter, which is known as Bose-Einstein condensates, quantum or condensates, BEC, nothing but. So they believed that through this will help solving some of the quantum puzzles, quantum universe. And also it is to be noted that the existence of BEC was first predicted by great scientist Albert Einstein and Indian mathematician Chaitanyapuri Bose. Very important. First this matter, fifth state matter, first identified 100 years back. So Indian and also Albert, and some foreigner, Albert Einstein and Indian Chaitanyapuri Bose. 100 years back, now this experiment was done at International Space Station, ISS, International Space Station. Okay, so in International Space Station, during the experimental they discovered fifth state, BEC, Bose-Einstein condensates or quantum. Okay, when it occurs, according to their version, this special state of matter occurs when the atoms of some elements are cooled to absolute zero Kelvin, that is minus 273.15. Very, very important. Like a staff selection, many times this question was asked. Absolute zero or zero Kelvin or minus 273.15 degrees centigrade. So due to this, all the atoms, that elements start working together as a single unit to become one, that is superatom. This is called the fifth state of matter. In any substance, its atom move at different speeds, but in fifth state of matter, there is only one big atom and waves are raised in it. And also, this is a study, no need, four states of matters. I told you, namely solid, fluid, liquid, nothing but gas and plasma. Fifth state is a BEC. BEC means Bose-Einstein quantum or consolidates. Okay, so this is the fourth plasma. This is also old question. Plasma is the fourth stage. Next stage, BEC stage. Okay, so this research is still going on. Present. This is very important in the space. In ISS, they discovered fifth state of matter. Okay. Tejas Mk1 in the month of May, our local fighter, Rafale, France, we have been derived from France. But here, this is the local made. Rafale, we brought from France. So here, Tejas Mk1, light combat aircraft, India's indigenously built. So it is a supersonic combat aircraft, fourth generation aircraft. It was built by HAL, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, HAL. And also it is a shape, delta shape, Tejas. See it. At the time of war with Pakistan or China, we can use the Tejas. Light combat aircraft, it can land also hilly areas and also snow areas, very light. The Tejas, many advantages are there. So that delta shape structure, same local made, but Rafale is a foreign made, France, but it is a local made. Okay, so supersonic combat aircraft, light combat aircraft. So it is going to induce into our Air Force. Okay, so that's why it came into news, made by HAL Bangalore. Light combat aircraft, India's Tejas Mk1. It is a supersonic, subsonic, supersonic, hypersonic, and supersonic. Shape, delta shape. Okay.